Building a gaming PC under 15,000 can be challenging task, but it's not impossible. With the right components and some of careful planning, you can put together a PC that can run a many popular game at a decent frame rate. So guys, here is a guide to help you build a gaming PC under 15,000. So before starting this video, my name is Jason and you're watching Technical Wallet. Let's start this video. So guys, let's talk about firstly processor. For a budget gaming PC build, the AMD Anton 3000G is an excellent choice. It is a dual core processor with a base clock speed 3.5 GHz and it can be overclocked to 3.9 GHz. It can also comes with the built-in Radeon Vega 3 graphics processor. Then guys, let's talk about motherboard. We can use for this budget gaming PC build, we go with the Gigabyte A320M and S2H motherboard. It can a budget friendly option that support a Anton 3000G processor. So guys, before you skip this video, you know the all components price at the last of video. Watch this video till the end if you are interested to build a gaming PC under 15,000. So let's talk about RAM. For RAM, you will need a latest 8GB of DDR4 RAM to run a most games smoothly. You can go with the Crozier Veganance LPX 8GB DDR4 RAM for build this budget gaming PC. So guys, then let's talk about storage. You can choose between an SSD or an HDD for a storage. For a budget build, a 120GB SSD is a good option. You can go with the Kingston A400 120GB SSD. So guys, let's talk about the graphics card. As the Athlon 3000G comes with a built-in Radeon Vega 3 graphics processor, you don't need a separate graphics card for this build. So let's talk about the power supply. You will need a reliable power supply to ensure that your components are getting enough power. A 450 watt power supply from the brand like Crozier or Cooler Master should be sufficient for you. Lastly, you will need a case to house your components. You can go with a budget case from brands like Ante, Crozier and Cooler Master. With these components, you can build a gaming PC that can run a many popular game at decent frame rate. Remember to do your research and compare price before you making your purchase to get the best deal at the possible price range. So guys, let's check out this component price list. So guys, these components link are available in our description and comment box, so you can check out from here. If you guys need this type of informative content, then subscribe to our channel, and if you can enjoy this video, then likes and share to this video with your friend. So thank you very much to watch this video till end. Thank you guys.